Hello, this is Jeremy with SkipperBud's here in Bay City, Michigan. Today we have a 2022 Sea Ray 210 SPX with a powered by a Mercury 150 outboard. This boat has always been stored inside and has been pretty meticulously maintained. It's got the ski tow bar, beautiful all white in color, tandem axle trailer, this boat only has 50 hours on it currently. The all white interior, the snap-in sea decking for the flooring, got the sun pad, the walk-through. This is a very, very beautiful boat, very well kept, very low hours. This can be seen at SkipperBud's in Bay City. Thank you.